What's happening, guys? Got the TT-02 out after I put some upgrades in it. Got the upgraded steering, got the drive shaft, got CVDs in there, and I have the speed spur gear installed. It is 68 tooth. I thought it was smaller, a lot smaller than the stock gear was 70, so I should still be faster, but I just don't know quite how much faster. So running the stock pinion gear, which I don't even know how many teeth is on that, but it's the one that came with the kit. So 3S China Hobby line. I don't know if you guys can see that. 4 wires, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2200 milliamp CNHL. Anyway, guys, got new batteries in the radio link. I'll turn her on. Hopefully she's still going straight. I was apprehensive about putting those upgrades in because it was nice and straight on the run I did the other day, so hopefully it still is, and we'll be good to go. Zeroed out. Testing. Let's get her over here to the road. All right. Well, she was moving. See what that was, guys. That was 45, so that's even with what I was doing before. I'm not sure what caused it to crash, but we'll reset and send her back down there. Okay. All right. The GPS is still in. That was 47, guys. 47. I notice it's not bad when you are running, but if you try to slow down, it don't like it. Zero. Tracking. Man. We're gonna get a clean run in here, guys. All right. Tracking. Golly. 45. Alright guys, I think she's got maybe one more pass in her. I've made 3 and haven't been successful. I've crashed all 3 times, so zero. Tracking. Let's try this one more time. See if we can get her to golly. It's got to be that front diff that's doing it. Well, I got to 48 that time, so fastest we've got in the car. Whether it counts in this contest, I don't know, but we did get it to 48, so I'll take it back, clean it up, make some adjustments, and come back. I think I'm gonna have to make some adjustments to my front diff. It's diffing out on the car, I think, and when I get it to full throttle, it's dragging the car off the road. Anyhow, guys, I appreciate everybody for watching. Thanks, Phil, for putting on this contest. It's really, really fun. I'm having a blast chatting with the guys and everything like that. But again, here's my 3S battery. As you can see, 4 wires, CNHL 30C. .48, guys. The best I could do today. Couldn't keep it on the road though. Good luck to everybody. Thanks for watching, guys, and you have a great day.